I'm Julia Taravella. I'm Executive Director for Rare Trade Hope Fund. We started as a patient foundation, slowly understanding that there were not too much opportunities to develop a treatment for ultra-rare diseases. So we turned and became a nonprofit biotech. It's a very interesting model. Not too many people working on that, but so far it worked for us. What we started in 2013, trying to develop a treatment for gene therapy for ultra-rare disorder called aspartyl glucosaminosuria. We'll call it AGU for short. There are only about 300 to 500 patients affected by the disorder globally, and we are bringing gene therapy to clinic now. We started preclinical development and the production of the medicine. All of that is done within the last 10 years. And now we are submitting application to FDA first. And after that, we're going to work with European regulatory agencies to bring the treatment into the clinic, so essentially start clinical trial. Right now, we've finished all of the safety and toxicology study, and literally we are putting the paperwork to submit IND, which is extremely big step for us. We are a very small company and doing it on a very lean basis with a few people. So it takes time. Specifically this conference, and usually conferences that is focused on gene therapy or rare diseases are extremely important to rare disease community. It's where you learn, where you connect, where you find partners, where you find in people that will support you. That's one of the things that where we were able to progress as far as we did. By background, I'm a chemical engineer and a project manager, but I didn't know how to do the gene therapy development. So conferences is where I found similar thinkers and supporters, and that's where we were able to get. That's how we will be able to progress as far as we did, actually, through connections through the conferences.